an ancient remedy that has been cherished for centuries across Asia and is now gaining recognition worldwide. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This isn't just another health drink, it's a cup of warmth, healing, and mindfulness. In Buddhism, taking care of your body is considered a sacred responsibility. Your body is the vessel through which you experience life, practice mindfulness, and cultivate balance. That's why the choices you make about what you consume carry so much significance. Turmeric milk is a perfect example of how something simple and natural can have a profound impact on both your physical and mental well-being. So, what exactly is turmeric milk? Imagine a warm, creamy beverage with a beautiful golden hue that feels like a hug in a cup. It's made by blending milk, either dairy or plant-based, with turmeric, a spice that has been celebrated for its healing properties for thousands of years. To enhance the flavor and benefits, people often add ingredients like cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. The result is a drink that's as delicious as it is nourishing. But turmeric milk isn't just about taste, or even its long list of health benefits. In Buddhist philosophy, there's a strong emphasis on mindfulness, being fully present in the moment. Preparing and drinking turmeric milk can become a mindful practice. The process itself is calming. Heating the milk gently, watching the golden color swirl as you stir in the turmeric, and inhaling the warm, comforting aroma. It's a chance to slow down, connect with yourself, and appreciate the simple yet profound act of caring for your health. Turmeric milk is often called a golden elixir, and for good reason. Turmeric, the star ingredient, contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities make turmeric milk a natural remedy for a variety of health issues. If you've ever dealt with joint pain, inflammation, or muscle soreness, this drink can be a soothing ally. It's also a fantastic immune booster, helping your body fight off colds, flu, and infections. But the benefits don't stop there. Drinking turmeric milk regularly can improve your digestion, calming issues like bloating or discomfort. It's also wonderful for your skin, reducing acne and eczema while giving you a natural, healthy glow. And if you have trouble winding down at the end of the day, a warm cup of turmeric milk before bedtime can relax your body and help you drift off into a peaceful sleep. In Buddhist traditions, the color gold symbolizes enlightenment, purity, and wisdom. When you look at a cup of turmeric milk with its golden color, you're reminded of these qualities. It's more than a drink. It's an invitation to embody these values in your own life. By making turmeric milk a part of your daily routine, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also cultivating mindfulness and balance, key principles in Buddhism. What I love most about turmeric milk is how easy it is to make. All you need is a cup of milk, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a few optional ingredients like black pepper, cinnamon, or ginger. Black pepper is especially important because it enhances your body's ability to absorb curcumin, making the drink even more effective. Heat everything gently on the stove, let the flavors come together, and sweeten it to your liking with honey or maple syrup. In just a few minutes, you have a drink that's brimming with health benefits and feels like pure comfort. When I first started drinking turmeric milk, I didn't just notice physical changes like better digestion and improved sleep. I also found that the ritual of making it brought a sense of calm to my day. It became a moment of stillness, a chance to pause and reconnect with myself. In today's busy world, where we're constantly rushing from one thing to the next, these moments are so valuable. And that's the beauty of turmeric milk. It's not just about what it does for your body, it's about the way it encourages you to slow down and be present. When you sip it slowly, feeling the warmth spread through your body, you're reminded to appreciate the small things, the simple joys that make life meaningful. So, Why not give it a try? Start by making a cup of turmeric milk tonight. Take your time as you prepare it and allow yourself to fully enjoy the experience. Notice the color, the aroma, and the taste. Let it be a moment of mindfulness in your day, a small act of self-care that has the power to transform your health and well-being. If you've made it this far, thank you for taking the time to learn about this incredible drink. If this video has inspired you to try turmeric milk, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences and how it makes you feel. Turmeric milk is not just a drink. It's a tradition, a piece of history passed down through generations. When you enjoy a cup of this golden elixir, you're connecting with centuries of wisdom and the profound understanding that what we consume influences every aspect of our lives. Think about it. In Buddhist philosophy, every action, even something as simple as drinking a cup of milk, carries meaning. It's an opportunity to cultivate gratitude, to honor the interconnectedness of life. Turmeric milk embodies this principle. The turmeric root comes from the earth, enriched by the sun and rain. The milk comes from animals or plants, each with its own journey. When you prepare and drink turmeric milk, you're honoring all these connections between yourself, the earth, and the universe. But turmeric milk isn't just about philosophy. It's about real, tangible health benefits that you can feel in your body. Let's dive a little deeper into what makes this drink so powerful. First, there's curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. It's been studied extensively by scientists, and the results are astounding. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it helps reduce swelling and pain in your body. If you've ever suffered from joint pain or arthritis, you know how debilitating inflammation can be. A regular cup of turmeric milk can help ease that discomfort naturally, without relying on medications that may have side effects. Then, there's the antioxidant power of turmeric milk. Antioxidants are like your body's cleanup crew, sweeping away harmful free radicals that can damage your cells. This process doesn't just protect you from illness, it also slows down aging. Yes, turmeric milk can help you look and feel younger by supporting your body's natural healing processes. Now, let's talk about immunity. In Buddhist teachings, health is not just the absence of illness, but the presence of balance. Your immune system plays a crucial role in maintaining this balance, and turmeric milk is one of the best natural ways to support it. The curcumin in turmeric, combined with the antioxidants in ingredients like cinnamon and ginger, strengthens your immune defenses. Whether it's flu season or you're simply feeling run down, turmeric milk gives your body the boost it needs to stay strong. And the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric milk is a lifesaver for your digestive system. If you've ever dealt with bloating, indigestion, or stomach discomfort, you know how it can throw off your whole day. Turmeric has natural properties that soothe your digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. When your digestion is in harmony, everything else in your body feels better too. One of the things I love most about turmeric milk is its ability to enhance skin health. In Buddhist practices, self-care is seen as an expression of self-respect, and that includes caring for your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help calm skin conditions like acne and eczema, while its antioxidants fight the signs of aging. With regular consumption, turmeric milk can give your skin a natural, radiant glow that reflects the balance and health within you. But perhaps one of the most overlooked benefits of turmeric milk is its ability to improve sleep. We live in a world where stress and overstimulation are constant companions, and many of us struggle to wind down at night. Warm turmeric milk is the perfect remedy. The soothing warmth relaxes your body, while the curcumin helps calm your mind. Drinking a cup before bed can become a nightly ritual that signals to your body that it's time to rest. Imagine this. It's the end of a long day. You've done everything you needed to do, and now it's time to care for yourself. You heat up a cup of milk, stir in the turmeric and spices, and watch as the golden color deepens. The aroma fills your kitchen, and as you take your first sip, you feel the warmth spread through your body. This is mindfulness in action, a simple yet powerful way to end your day with peace and intention. If you're ready to experience all these benefits for yourself, the recipe for turmeric milk couldn't be easier. Start with 1 cup of milk, dairy, almond, coconut, or whatever you prefer. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy, like cinnamon or ginger. Heat the mixture gently on the stove, stirring until it's well blended and fragrant. Sweeten it with a little honey or maple syrup if you like, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you have a drink that supports your health and nourishes your soul. The key to reaping the full benefits of turmeric milk is consistency. Just as meditation or mindfulness practice becomes more impactful the more you do it, drinking turmeric milk regularly will bring long-term rewards. Make it a part of your daily routine, whether it's in the morning to start your day with energy or in the evening to wind down before bed. Turmeric milk isn't just a drink. It's a symbol of self-care, mindfulness, and connection to ancient wisdom. In every sip, you're embracing a tradition that honors the body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for spending this time with us and exploring the magic of turmeric milk. If this video inspired you, please let us know in the comments. Have you tried turmeric milk before? What was your experience like? We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and share it with your loved ones. Together we can build a community that supports health, mindfulness, and balance. Stay healthy, stay golden, and stay present. Remember, every small step you take toward caring for yourself is a step toward a more balanced and fulfilling life.